What is RFID? Radio frequency identification in its most simple form can be considered to be a super barcode. RFID tags are used to uniquely identify objects, but unlike barcodes, they transmit serial numbers through boxes and containers. In other words, no line of sight is required between the reader and the RFID tag. Also, the number transmitted is not just a model number of a product, but also the specific serial number of that manufactured object. Alien focuses on ultra-high-frequency RFID technologies that require no batteries. This is known as UHF passive RFID. As there are no batteries, the RFID tag absorbs power transmitted from the reader's antenna and uses this to send a serial number back to the reader. Because radio frequencies are used, these travel through most containers. This is one of the main RFID advantages over barcodes. Boxes do not need to be opened in order to understand how many items and which specific objects have been placed inside. The other key advantage is that many RFID tags can be read at the same time. Hundreds of tags can be read in the same time taken to read a single barcode. Together, these advantages allow more rapid and seamless inventory or item-level tracking through warehouses and retail supply chains. This technology enables the contents of boxes to be verified at different stages of the supply chain. This enhances brand protection, as you now can confirm items that should be inside the boxes have not been misplaced, removed, or substituted. Alien is one of the highest volume suppliers of RFID IC transponder chips for UHF passive RFID. The wafers you see here contain the best part of 100,000 Higgs chips. The Higgs family is the industry's most sensitive RFID chip family. This means these chips can be read in more challenging environmental conditions than Alien's competitors' chips. These tiny but highly complex ICs are smaller than a pinhead. These chips are then mounted onto an aluminum antenna to form an RFID tag. Tags can later be laminated or converted to printed stock to form labels. These can then be printed on and further complex security structures added. Alien has a huge selection of tags for a broad range of applications. The Alien Squiggle and H families are used for general purpose and retail applications. We have a high dielectric family for mounting to glass and other challenging RF materials. And finally, Alien supplies a wide range of form factor driven tags. These tags or labels need to be powered up and the returned information needs to be interpreted. This is the job of an RFID reader. Alien provides a full range of RFID readers for all types of businesses and applications. For the highest performance, Alien provides one of the industry's most respected enterprise-class readers, the ALR 9900+. The 4-port reader provides robust and reliable performance in the most challenging industrial and commercial environments. They are even mounted inside garbage trucks. For less demanding applications, Alien offers a smart reader that has an integrated antenna and a handheld reader for mobile and retail applications. In this first demonstration, we show the Alien Enterprise Reader reading many moving tags through a transparent plastic barrier. The transparent cone houses a fan at the bottom. Alien RFID tags using the Alien Higgs chip are embedded inside white labels and deposited at the bottom of the cone. As we turn the fan on, the tags are blown into the read zone. As they flutter around the read zone, moving in and out, you can see the screen reading varying numbers of tags at any instance of time. Note how quickly the tags are read, with tens and sometimes hundreds of tags being read at the same time. This is something barcodes cannot do, as they are read one at a time. This demonstration also illustrates the read speed of Alien chips, tags, and readers. This enables our technology to capture more tags more quickly, even in dynamic environments. Now we have shown you many tags can be read simultaneously. We will show a real item-level tagging example without any line of sight to the tag. We will also do this with a challenging product that contains metal, which can be problematic for many non-Alien RFID technologies. This table has an Alien antenna mounted alongside it. The antenna is once again connected to an Alien Enterprise reader. We will now demonstrate reading the non-line of sight capability of the Alien RFID readers and tags. We do not need to visually see the tag to read it. As the box is placed on the table, the reader-antenna combination reads through the cardboard boxes and identifies the contents. To make this demonstration more challenging, we have tagged each pack of 4 razor blades. Each pack of 4 blades is placed into another box of 12 razor packs. Each of these boxes is placed into the shipping box. As we now bring the box through the read zone, the Alien Enterprise Reader reads each of the 72 tags, all inside 2 layers of boxes and surrounded by metal razor blades. Despite the challenging metallic tagged items, all 72 tags have been read. We now know how many razor packs are present and which individual packs are inside the box. We never had to open it for visual inspection or to use a barcode reader. We can now repeat this demonstration with all kinds of products. Here we do the same thing with a much more simple case of reading 12 pairs of jeans. We are a leader in worldwide volume RFID technology and the industry's most experienced and innovative RFID providers. Alien is a broad-range global supplier of passive UHF RFID technology to the volume RFID market. RFID is a radio frequency super barcode that can be read through packaging while also reading many items at the same time. Alien is the only company that designs its own transponder chips, tags, readers, and has this expertise in-house. Alien is one of the industry's most experienced, innovative quality suppliers. And finally, we provide the industry's leading read sensitivity and real environmental performance, especially in challenging conditions.